Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. Well, welcome back. I do have you zoomed in pretty closely. We're going to ignore this makeup's been on all day except for the lip. And I try to put a little more foundation on my eyes because I took off some eye makeup I was messing with earlier because, well, I decided I'm going to do a few more eye looks with some palettes that have been requested. And it's pretty much just going to be like, you know, kind of almost fast forward-y kind of deal, depending on time. But I got a lot of wanting to see a look with the Solstice palette, so we're going to go in with that one. This one's, you know, Bad Habit on the Hush app, and it's gorgeous. Is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Sunset one. So we're going to go ahead and go in with that. I'm just going to set my eyes with concealer because just like, why not? It doesn't have like a line island because that old eyeliner that Jessica sent me will stay and will not come off, but stains your lip blue. So we'll see if it covers some of that too while we're at it. I mean, I went heavy on the rest of the water and still wouldn't stick around, so okay. Someone over there to cook some things up. Alright, let's say what's on my lip is supposed to be an LA Colors lip gloss. Yeah, metal lip gloss. It has completely dried down. It's dried down. A little tacky, not bad. But not transfer proof, but it's dry. It's not like a gloss, so FYI. But Denny sent me this and it's like, I'm gonna pop it on, it'll go with the look. Why not? Alright, set this concealer before it creases. That eyeliner does not want to come off though. I'm gonna blow out the crease. I'm gonna do, I just want to see how these light shades show up now. And I do have like a lighter concealer than my eyes. My eye was kind of dark stained from previous eyeshadow, even with micellar water. So it's probably gonna show up as good. I'm gonna go with this color Spring. Not noticing powder, but you know I barely tap in my shadows because I'm used to working with Lorac, and it kicks up a lot. All these Bad Habit ones, like even as lightly as I could see, that's not really showing up. Even with that, maybe a little bit, not really. Maybe with like a really white face down. This summer. Just because I want to see like I've tapped into that and like just that much in there. I'm going to leave it like it is to try to get more pigment, because sometimes if you don't knock it off you'll have more pigment on your lid. So sometimes I'll knock it out, but I don't think it's going to like fall out. Even softer shadows don't have a lot of fallout. Or I don't think it's darker shade. Pigmented though, really pigmented. That's the color Basque. Okay. I'm just gonna so a little bit lighter than here. Okay, when you mix it with the yellow, it goes brown. Sort of like, see, almost muddy into brown, so it's not going to change its color separate. Sometimes you can light close and top when you're gonna like, I'm not even blending them, so it doesn't look bad, it's just warming the colors. Sometimes you can get the shadows that can stay separate from each other and you can keep blending into each other kind of thing going on. These do not. So, FYI, I'm sure you're aware of what color. These like an orange, so it's kind of a muddy brown, I suppose. I'm really blending, I'm like packing that on my eyeball. Yeah, let me look at dirty brown. Palettes don't tend to blend together like that. Like the Juvia's, I don't get that kind of blend in colors. It's, I guess, kind of muddy. I mean, it's not bad. It just made a whole nother crease color, which I guess kind of deepened the crease, but odd. Okay, on the lid. So I'm going to go with Rays. Okay, it looks very glittery. I'm gonna hit my inner corner with that. Yeah, okay. That one is chunky glitter. You can already tell. But I'm going to hit my inner corner with that and then wipe that off because I'm going to switch to a different color now. know. So I'm going to go into Dawn, which doesn't look as chunky. No, it's still kind of glittery. I'm going to spray it. Let's see what that does. And I noticed, like, they can be glittery, but if you tap them on with your finger, you get less glitter fall out for some reason. Same with a couple of the Retro Love colors, so if you don't have spray, that works good too. I should have that raise on that in the corner. And when you touch them, it's acting a lot like a Huda Beauty shadow, which I haven't tried the Natasha Denona, so I'm liking it to some of the formula in the Huda Beauty, like the really chunky glitter ones. Because when you barely touch it with a brush, it's doing like this gathering mess, you know? It's not bad. I mean, you pay, you know, these are like 16 a piece, and you can get them on sale as a bundle for like 24 for both. At least that was when I bought it. But y'all know I can't use Natasha Denona. I can't use the bigger palettes of Huda Beauty, and I don't know about her two new ones because the ingredients aren't up yet on those. But her mini ones are fine, or the last four she released, but I don't know about the two new ones. And then her big palettes are no, because there are just too many shades have carmine, or all of them do. But I think it's like the same kind of textured formula, which is weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go into Soul, which is this glitter, and I think it's going to shift on me. Like a really neat, like, that's an interesting color. I don't have a color like that in my thing. It's like, you know, orange fire kind of thing. I don't have a color like that as far as I can tell in my collection, so we're going to tap that on the middle to blend these two together, or that's my goal. Do two things. I'm going to darken that outer V dusk, which is this brown. And bring the yellow back in. I'm going to take the yellow and go in there. Hit the red. And then I'm going to go into dust to tie that outer edge in there. Yeah, I'd say these are even softer than a Lorac shadow, or at least as soft. Maybe like more fallout in the pan, because yeah, it's a bit more, but still very pretty. I have no idea on the lasting power. I know that Athena lasts pretty well. And there you go, just ignore any old remnants of stuff on my face. Is the look. I rather like this. I think these are your colors, the warm sunsetty colors, which I think are gorgeous for like late summer, like mid to late summer and fall. That's probably when I'll get the most use out of this palette. That's just me. That's just what I like to do. I like, you know, colorful. You know, before something important, or you know, use it before when you first get it, and you have to go somewhere or do something that it really matters what your eyes look like. I would take this for a test drive before all that. I wouldn't immediately, because some of these are going to have a lot of fallout depending on how you apply them, and they might have fallout anyway, and you might consider a glitter glue, even though, like, I mean, they're really gorgeous. They just have some chunk in them, like all these shimmers pretty much. Probably that one too. That one's not so bad. That's like more of a flat shimmer, but yeah, so just be careful. Know that there's some fallout. I'm not noticing. Okay, no, never mind. There is some fallout on my cheek, so you might just have to build up the color. I don't have the patience to build up color. I just rather wipe it away, so maybe before you put on the rest of your makeup. I don't tend to do it anyway. I just like wipe it away. Or get a Kleenex and wipe it away. But they are stunning on the lid though. Like, I could have probably got almost brilliant without the setting spray on that color, because the rest look great. Just built up a little bit. So I think this is a great palette. I would definitely get the bundle deal to get it way cheaper, like $8 off, you know, because it's $24 for the Solstice and dupe for the Lila palette. So yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!